am explaining the grammar, English grammar, parts of speech. These are nouns. Now, the learning intention of this lesson is to define what a noun is and to identify nouns in next text. What is a noun? A noun is a person, place, or a thing. This is a person. This is a place. This is a thing. This is person. So these three things are called a noun. A noun is a person, place, or a thing. Okay. This is a person, place, or a thing. So the examples for the persons are girl, boy, teacher, coach, mom. So these are the examples of persons. Please identify the noun in this. The boy fell over. So the noun here is the boy is the noun. The boy is the noun. So place, another noun is place. Hospital, school, house, Australia, city. These are all places. Hospital is a place, school is a place, house is a place, Australia is a place, city is a place. So these are all places. These places are nouns. Identify the noun. London is a great city to visit. Please identify in this what is the noun. So the what is the place here? London is the place. City is the place. So these are the nouns. London and city are the nouns and these are nouns. So things, a shoe, butterfly, book, sandwich, sun. These are all things. Okay. Identify the nouns in the boat. The boat sailed through wind. The boat sailed through wind. What is the noun here? So this boat is the noun here. The boat is the thing. That is the noun. Under noun is the wind also coming. So wind is a noun. How many nouns you can see in the following sentence? The cat was so tired he fell asleep in the mat. So here, the cat is a noun and the mat is the noun here. Cat is the person, mat is the. So there are two types of nouns. One is a common noun and another is proper noun. So there are two types. Nouns can be further divided into two types. One is common noun and another is proper noun. Common nouns are those to refer the general things. Proper nouns is to refer the specific things. Common nouns examples are commonly without any name. Generally, city. But when a proper noun, specific thing, Sydney is a city. But a particular name, common nouns are boy, month, teacher, country, religion, or these are the common nouns. Boy, month, general, gender, in general, not any specific. Proper nouns are specific, the name and the month, January, teacher, Miss Me, country, Australia, religious, Christian. These are, so religion is a common noun and Christianity is a proper noun. Why is a common noun? Andrew is name is proper noun. Month is a common noun and January particular month is a name of the month proper noun. Teacher common name proper name common noun. Misspelling proper noun. Country is a common noun. Australia is a proper noun. Religion is a common noun. Christianity is a proper noun. Proper nouns start with a capital letter. Okay, proper nouns start with a capital. Identify the common nouns here. Dr. Jones enjoys hiking in the Andes mountain range and riding horses. So what are the common nouns here? This identify. So common noun is horses. Repeat it, then going. So identify proper nouns in this sentence. Dr. Jones enjoys hiking in the Andes mountain range and riding horses. Identify the proper nouns. So the proper nouns here are Dr. Jones and Andes mountain. These are the with name, particular name, person and the mountain are written. So these are the okay.